Support means providing on-site diagnostic and repairs for our customers to get their laboratories and production facilities up and running as fast as possible.
Support means solving our customers' technical issues over the phone or with remote digital tools so they can get up and running as soon as possible without the need for a site visit.
Support means providing application notes that outline materials and methods so you can improve your efficiency at the bench.
Support means ensuring our customers' investment through our on-site preventative maintenance and emergency repair services.
Support means providing guidance for your experimentation through application notes and webinars so you can trust your results.
Support means running feasibility tests in one of our applications labs so you feel confident about your purchase, and being there to help in all the new applications in the years to come.